Hi guys, my name is Douglas Macmillan. I am a general dentist with a special interest in cosmetic dentistry. I'm from the UK and I graduated from the University of Birmingham. I do everything in terms of general dentistry, but I really like doing things like composite bonding. So one piece of advice that I'd have for my patients when they're looking after their teeth is not to use mouthwash straight after brushing. Mouthwash is okay, but you don't want to use it straight after brushing because it will wash off the toothpaste which is sat on your teeth, which is full of fluoride, which is what protects your teeth. So I'm a really keen sportsman, so I love playing football, tennis, and paddle. So if you don't find me at the dental clinic, you'll find me on the paddle course. So if you're looking for a general checkup, or if you're looking for some cosmetic dental treatment, then book a consultation with me and pop down to Dr. Joy Clinic.